today I'm gonna review two of the fragrances of the house Dolce Gabbana Light Blue. Today I'm gonna make a review of this so-called the king of the summer. We just start summer this week with Dolce Gabbana Classic EDT and Dolce Gabbana Light Blue Capri in Love. First of all, I inquired this one first, than the Dolce Gabbana. In the first instance, I love it. It was remarkable, refreshing, and use it I went to Spain and I used it on the beach, beach area when I was to restaurant. And then it came out this one, and both was slightly similar but not the same, not quite, though both have the same name. Let's start with it. With Dolce Gabbana Light Blue Capri in Love. First of all, the design of the bottle, it's like marble, and it looks like Hispanic, some kind of classic. It's from the 1920s or a 12 design, which I think is like beautiful design of the bottle. And I was searching on the internet what are the top notes. So I applied this one in my wrist here, and so I have Dolce Gabbana Light Blue on this arm, and see how it involves. Because remember, like the first things with the fragrances, you're gonna love it. It's like the first hit of everything. You're gonna just all your endorphins in your brain is gonna go like, it makes you feel good, you like it. So you need to wait how it behaves. Basically, this Dolce Gabbana offers durable and endurance, longevity of the fragrance for the quality of raw ingredients. So I was pretty happy using Dolce Gabbana Light Blue in my skin. I love it. I just really want to use it for summer times. Because I like this stuff. So the Dolce Gabbana Light Blue Capri in Love EDP from the 2025, the top notes is jasmine and tea. So this opens softer and more elegant, fresh, but slightly green and aromatic, and not citrus heavy. And it's true, I make it to taste it with my wife. I say, see the difference, which I like the most. This is, she told me, this is a Capri in Love. It has a darker tone. It's not completely like the lemon, let's say, because I can compare this one, for example, with some product of organic product for cleaning that we use, like the best quality, you could say, because of the raw materials, which is the lemon, the citrus. Touch, my nose feel it. She didn't feel it, but every nose, it's different. We have different taste, and remember, but those are the most sellings, one of the top most selling fragrances for summer. So it might be sometimes not some familiar flavor, but it's just really good. It's a really good solid fragrance. And let's go with the Dolce Gabbana Light Blue EDT. This is a new formula, first released in 2001, and this is 2025, also last year, and reformuled. And it's Sicilian lemon, green apple, and it also includes cedar in the opening. Depending on the version, yeah, this one I don't feel the cedar, but like I just feel so citric. And this one I use it daily, just maybe two times per week, like on Tuesday or Thursday. I want to feel fresh, like kind of the blue, but it's just, I wore it yesterday for like summer fragrance, just to you can be shirtless or just fresh, and it smells great. So this one is a bit more elegant. I will say, like, you go for like you know, like palapa events, like dinner or something, but still like a hot days. Or probably you have you know, lunch with the friends, or you have some kind of more intimate, because it has more elegant touch, you know? And this one I will wear it for more like daily, so you can see it's a bigger bottle. And that's it. That's pretty much that's it. The two Dolce Gabbana, the Dolce Gabbana light blue compares.
Tutta la mia vita